Hey, welcome back. Happy New Year to everybody. We are back starting videos again for the new year for 2023. So hopefully you guys can try and sit through these videos because I've been seeing a lot of drop off. People can't seem to sit through a 3-minute video or a 4-minute video. So let's try and hang in there and enjoy the videos. Anyway, so so we're back. I'm thinking, I have a thought of trying to start a new video series called What Was in the Box, and try and do some unboxings of while I'm unpacking the moving boxes. Try and see what we can find in the boxes. So I unpacked a couple of boxes and I found a few things that I think you guys are gonna like, those of you who have interests in these areas. So I'm going to show you a collection of, this is a small collection, not a full collection, but a collection of baseball caps that I think some of you will really get a kick out of. So we have Crazy Eddie baseball cap. Like, how old is that, guys? I mean, that's amazing. So we got a Crazy Eddie cap. We got a couple Jeff Gordon NASCAR caps because I'm a huge Jeff Gordon fan. So any of you NASCAR people, Jeff Gordon people, hopefully you will enjoy seeing these caps. And you know, in the future, you're probably going to see these collections at some point again in different variations, but I'm just doing this as I go, step by step, see what I can come up with. So next one is Baruch, which is where I went to school in New York. So any of you New York people see that? That's my baseball cap from Baruch. Next, we have a Busch Gardens Williamsburg, which is also very old, but there it is. Covenant House, which is where I used to work for many years. It's my baseball cap from there. And I'm trying to think. I think it's my baseball cap from Covenant House, Florida, as opposed to New York. Next one, we have Team Penske, which is from an IndyCar race that I went to years ago. Couple of these, unfortunately, got a little dirty during the last move. I was hoping they were all going to stay clean, but they did not. Anyway, then we have a couple of, out of a couple, we got 4, and that's not the last 4, but we got 4 Las Vegas baseball caps. Because if you know me at all, you know Las Vegas is one of my favorite places. We got the Tide stick next to this one because it's the white one and it got dirty for the first time, so I'm gonna have to try to work that out. So anyway, we got 4 Las Vegas baseball caps because I am in love with Las Vegas. And then we have the other baseball caps that I've shown you. Leave me some comments below for all you guys that see any ones that you like, that you want to make comments about, that you have questions about. You know, there's all different kinds of caps up here from different periods of my life. So yeah, let me know if you like any of these or have something to say, comments or anything. Anyway, all right, next we're gonna walk into the second bedroom and I'm gonna show you, and yeah, we all know there's boxes everywhere, everything is a mess, but I found some Lego stuff came out of a box. So I want to show you what I took out of the box so far. And like I said, these are all going to get cleaned up and displayed eventually. So anyway, what I have so far that I found, like I said, none of this was planned, but we have the Guggenheim Museum in New York. For any of you guys that are from New York or tourists that love the Guggenheim, there it is. It's one of my favorite Lego pieces. And down here we have the Mickey Mouse, which I need to fix. The Mickey Mouse SS Willie boat from I think his first black and white cartoon. But I have to fix that up. There were some pieces that fell off, obviously. There you go. Where is he? Ah, there he is. Hey, Mickey. So I gotta fix those. See, we have a lot more. Uh-oh. Let's get focused. Okay. We got 1, 2, 3 at least, which are all broken up into pieces, which I'm going to have to redo over the next year, but that's fine. And then we have a few more which made it through the storm of moving. We have New York City skyline, which is very cool. We have right behind that the US Capitol building, which is pretty cool. And then behind that, we have the Minions, who I love. Everything you see, if you see it, that means I love it. So I love the Minions. And I put the little guy Minions just as a funny thing just now. I just put them on top of the Capitol, like they're guarding the Capitol. I just thought that was kind of funny and cute. But anyway, yeah, Washington, D.C., I love it. It turns out it's like one of my favorite places to visit. So I have a bunch of different pieces from Washington, D.C., Lego pieces. So that's the Capitol. And obviously, I'm from New York. I love New York. New York is my heart and soul. So wanted to have the New York skyline. So yeah, so that is everything that I wanted to show you guys so far. Like I said, if you see anything you like, if you have questions, comments, please leave them down below. Yeah, and hoping to have another video out this week. We'll see what that's going to be about. It could be an outdoor outing that I'm going to go on. But yeah, so still looking for subscribers. Please subscribe, like this video, comment, share, all that good stuff. You know, trying to grow the channel, not growing as fast as I would like, but yeah. So taking much advantage of all the mirrors in this place because I still haven't found my camera and my camera equipment, so I am not quite ready to vlog the way I should be, but I'm doing the best I can. I think I've improved a smidge from where I totally started this couple months ago. So anyway, love you guys. Happy New Year. I wish you guys the best New Year. Hope all your wishes and dreams come true. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you sat through the video. Yeah, please like, share, comment, subscribe. That would be like so awesome. It is free to subscribe on YouTube, so I'm not sure why people aren't subscribing, but yeah, let's just hit that button. It takes like a millisecond. Anyway, love you guys. Happy New Year. See you soon. See you in a couple of days with another video.